Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can freely warp your text in Canva. So go to the apps section and you are going to actually select Typecraft. This is like a new feature I guess they have, and you're just going to type in whatever you want, and then you're also going to select the font that you want to use as well. Have quite a few options. And like it will show on the edit shape here. Oops. Okay, and then you're just going to also choose the style. You can have none and filled or just the outline. You're going to have none. You can also select the color here. I'm just going to select this like purple color. Okay, then to adjust the shape, I'm just going to press reset shape for now. You are just going to kind of use these as a guide to move around, to move the text around as like you're warping it. Like that. You can like adjust it like even more by like making it like a wave. Just going to like reset it and try it again maybe. Like so. Doesn't have to look perfect. I don't know what I'm like really where I'm going with this really, but I'm just going to like randomize the shape like that. Then if you are ready to add it to your design, just select add element to design, and it's going to add it for you like so. That's pretty much it really. It is super simple, but I hope the tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!